Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about wait techniques. In my previous video, I explained implicitly wait, which condition we are going to use for implicit wait that I explained. Please go through that video, then only can come to here, then you can able to understand what exactly explicitly wait can do. See, basically implicitly wait, it will wait for that entire web application opening time. We are going to initiating that web element. Why explicitly? Already implicitly wait, it is waiting for complete page. Then what is the requirement to do it for explicitly? See, the page is loaded. That moment we are waiting for 10 seconds. But in your company, there are some certain conditions. There are some web elements not able to load. They are invoked for anglers or some different UI elements. That moment what happened, that particular web element is not visible in that particular moment. Immediately it is not visible. That moment we can able to use that particular single web element. How means we can able to use explicitly wait. If you use the explicitly wait, it will wait for until that particular web element loading time. Once it is loaded, then it will execute like send case, and we can able to click, we can able to do anything, we can able to do it for using that explicitly, because that is it will take as a reference of WebDriver and it will act as a WebDriver actions. Okay, but what will happen, this explicitly wait, it will only for certain condition. Means one particular element is not visible, means this explicitly wait, it will wait until that particular web element visible. Once it is visible, then it will click it. Otherwise it will show that element is not visible exceptions, it will throw that. How we can able to implement? Say now this is the username condition. I need to use it for explicitly wait for that particular name to enter a value. Okay, how we can able to use it means, for this we need to use it for this explicitly wait condition, expected conditions, and web driver wait. These are the two condition. Expected condition as easy I mentioned for shortcut purpose. Okay, and we can able to use it here. I'm going to await equal to a web driver wait, and it will take as a reference of WebDriver. Okay, and it will take how much time we need to wait for that web element visible. That is I'm going to mention for 10 seconds. Then I'm going to use for my wait dot util is the one to identify that method what kind of operations we need to do. Just now I told you, right, this is the expected condition. For this we need to shortcut purpose without the lengthy name. That's why I use for easy. Even you can able to use expected condition only to removing the as easy. You can remove, and you can able to use it for that expected condition complete name. You don't want to use complete name, you can able to use for as easy. Then able to come to here easy a dot. You can able to is what kind of operation based upon your condition. You can able to take one particular thing, whether it is window checking, like whether it is window is open or not, like that also you can able to check. In my condition I'm going to take the presence of element is located or not, means this particular element in that particular web application, whether it is presented or not, I'm checking. In case if you want to do some clickings and all, then you can able to see here element to be clickable. Means if that particular web element is presented, then you can able to use it is like clickable or not. You can able to check it out. Okay. Now I'm going to present. I'm going to take it here. Once it is presented clickable, then I'm going to use it for one more condition. I need to open here one open braces. Why is already this particular presence of element located is already opened? Why I need to open another presence means braces? It is basically this brace. It is indication of this particular one, and what we are going to write, that is our conditions, like a locator where the locator is presented, that particular locator by dot a name, and I'm going to pass it this name value. Okay, this is basically this particular XPath, like a name or ID or XPath tag name, what kind of things your linked is partial linked is, anything you can able to under coming in this particular base. Okay, this second brace is basically it is the presence of element. The last one is utils brace one. What will happen? It will gives a true or false that particular web element, it will returns. Okay, the presence of element located means it will gives, if that element is present, it will gives the web element, otherwise it will throw like a, it will give a empty, and then we are not going to do any element, right? For storing I need to use for element. Okay, then I'm going to use it for ele. Okay, ele dot send keys to sending for a value. Okay, now you can check again. Implicitly wait we are going to using for complete web application loading, particularly like explicitly wait we can able to one particular web element, if it is not visible, most of the time you are running but you are not able to find that web element, but element is presented in web application, but your Selenium WebDriver is not able to find mean that particular web element is not syncing to your timing. That's why it is happening. Then you can able to use explicitly wait to do that. Now Mercury is added, right? Now every time I'm using very less browser, then we can able to use maximize the browser first. Driver dot maximize. We can able to use maximize window and minimize windows by directly. Okay, it will provide that it will maximize the browser. Okay, how it will look you can able to see one more time. It will maximize immediately and then you can able to it will do for some operations. Even you can able to after maximization again you can able to minimize by using a driver dot main window. It maximize, it is added the value. Okay, this is all about for explicitly wait. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.